Tips for performing Umrah. 1. Make a clear intention, niyyah. Ensure your intention is sincere for the sake of Allah alone. 2. Learn the rituals in advance. Familiarize yourself with the steps of Umrah, ihram, tawaf, sa'i, and halq taksir. 3. Prepare ihram clothing. Men should wear 2 white unstitched garments, while women should wear modest, simple clothing covering the entire body except the face and hands. 4. Maintain cleanliness and purity. Perform ghusl, full-body purification before entering ihram. 5. Recite the talbiyah frequently. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik, labbaik la sharika laka labbaik, innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk, la sharika lak. Here I am, O Allah, here I am. You have no partner. Here I am. Surely all praise and blessings are yours, and so is the dominion. You have no partner. 6. Stay patient and humble. Expect crowds and long waits. Remain patient and maintain a good attitude. 7. Make du'as at key places. Pray sincerely at the Kaaba, Maqam Ibrahim, Multazam, and during sa'i between Safa and Marwa. 8. Avoid wasting time. Use your time wisely by engaging in worship, reciting the Quran, and making dhikr. 9. Drink zamzam, water. Make dua before drinking and believe in its blessings. 10. Respect the sacred places. Follow the rules, avoid pushing, and treat fellow pilgrims with kindness. Dua for Umrah before starting. Allahumma inni uridu al-umrata fayassirha li wa taqabbalha minni. Transliteration. Allahumma inni uridu al-umrata fayassirha li wa taqabbalha minni. Translation. O Allah, I intend to perform Umrah, so make it easy for me and accept it from me. Dua. During Tawaf, General. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. Transliteration. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. Translation. Our Lord, grant us good in this world and good in the hereafter, and protect us from the punishment of the fire. May Allah accept your Umrah and grant you ease and blessings throughout your journey.